heffalumps and woozles. Heffalumps and woozles. Heal honey. Beware. Beware.
They're black. They're round.
They're out.
They're down. They're in. They're out.
They're all about.
They're far.
They're near. They're gone. They're here.
They're quick and slick. They're insincere. Beware. Beware. Be very, very fair. A heffalump or woozle is very confusing. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twozles, but if they so chooses, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Fly. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize. They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're a terrible sight. They tie themselves in horrible knots. They come in stripes, polka dots. Beware, 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 beware. So better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. Size. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they'll guzzle up the things you prize. They're black. They're round. They're out. They're down. They're in. They're out.
They're all about.
They're far.
They're near. They're gone. They're here.
They're quick and slick. They're insincere. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.